Of course, any respectable manufacturer's goal is to improve their product constantly. In this regard, Stark Future announced that it had made hundreds of improvements since it first announced its electric motorcycle. The first major one I'd like to point out is increased battery capacity. The Varg features a 6 kWh battery pack encased in a patent-pending honeycomb magnesium structure, IP69K waterproof rated. It enabled the EV to offer up to 6 hours of light trail riding. Although we don't know the exact numbers regarding the battery upgrade, Anton Was declared that the e-bike would have better overall battery performance and power consistency throughout the state of charge, as well as more life cycles and battery efficiency. As a result of the improvement, the Stark Varg's weight has also slightly increased, from 220 pounds to 260 pounds. The other update was designed to improve the customer experience of owning and riding the e-motorbike. Specifically, the EV manufacturer will continuously optimize the bike's software via OTA updates. Stark Varg also focuses on digital customization. Customers can personalize their ride with more than 100 ride modes, modifying the engine braking, traction control, and more. What's more, the company now announced a social component for its app. Users can share ride modes with friends to enjoy a similar experience. Deliveries of the Stark Varg are underway, and the company is working hard to scale production and fulfill all the orders. Despite the upgrades, the price for the e-motorcycle remains the same $12,900.